Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's December the 2nd, 2021. This is going to be our Fetch.ai crypto price prediction. I wanted to come in today and see if this particular market is still reflecting the market as a buy or a sell. You guys can see from my price chart that I have already spoken about what I was looking forward to into the market for Fetch. So can we still see the price go down? Because that is my prediction currently being seen on the chart. Let's talk about that real quick. But before I do, if today's the first time ever seeing my videos, my content, this is what I do. I do price predictions with the simplicity and not the non-complexities that so many other people try to have on their charts. I simply look at the price and the price bars, and that's it. I don't care about nothing else. And you will soon find out that that is the only thing you need to have in your archer to understand that the market moves based off those two things alone. What people do with their money. Are they buying or are they selling? And the price chart gives us that landscape. So let's talk about that real quick. Make sure you hit the like button instead of also subscribe here to my channel to ensure you guys stay updated and at least learn as much as possible, because you really don't need no one else to tell you where they're looking for the market to go, whether or not a cryptocurrency is a buy or not. You can literally tell from the price to make that determination. So last time I did my video for Fetch.ai was on October the 12th, right? You guys can see it right here. I was playing in weakness then, and for the most part, you guys can see it. Fetch hasn't been going down, but that doesn't mean that price is not weak though. It doesn't mean that the price is a buy neither. You guys can tell that I even identify a certain area of restriction right around 87 cents. I was telling you all that that is the lid to where the market in Fetch.ai is having issues. And for the most part, that has been the case. Look at this. The market in Fetch could not break above that horizontal line. You can see it. Now, there's a couple of days to where the market did successfully trade above it for a stint, for a small period of time, but we came right back down. And here we are today. We are still trading below that horizontal line that I created back on October the 12th. So we're pretty much still in play to see the weakness into the market in Fetch.ai. I mean, just looking at that alone tells us that the market currently is not a buy, meaning the strength is not here, meaning that the market is not anticipated to go up right now. So what do you think is really going on into the market in Fetch then? If the market is not buying, meaning if the market is not progressively moving higher, then obviously the majority of the trades that is going on in the market in Fetch is selling. Now let's take a look at this on a different time frame then, because if we're looking at the market majority of the transactions being sells, then we should be seeing that on different time frames. So let me show you all a different time frame as well for this currency. So this is the 3-day time frame. Okay, now look at this. Over the last couple of 3-day price bars, I mean, I want you all to tell me, are you seeing strength or weakness? Every price bar resembles either strength or weakness. And what are your expectations? There's two things that I'm already noticing that we all need to be careful of, to where the buyers are at, which is here, and where the sellers are at. We already know the sellers are at 87 cents. We already know that the buyers are here at 70 cents. That is where the disparity is. This is where the battle is going on between those individuals. Which one is going to win out? Because there has been a whole lot of selling going on in the market in Fetch. I mean, I will take it all the way back here since September time frame. The market has been majority selling, but the buyers has been taking the hits. It's been taking the punches because the price hasn't been going down. I will give the buyers the credit from that realm, but eventually one of them will lose. And right now, looking at this from the 3-day time frame, it looked like the buyers are eventually going to get tired and give up, and price will drop. Yes. So I'm seeing weakness here on the 3-day. Okay. Let's switch this thing over to the 2-day. I mean, are you guys still seeing any indicators of strength? The only strength that I've seen in the market in Fetch from a 2-day perspective is here. These two 2-day price bars, and this one all the way back here towards the ending of September. That's it. Everything else is indication of weakness and selling, but the buyers are holding the market right now. But these bars are all weakness for the most part. And that's not a good sign for us to allow price to go up. That's not a good sign for the buyers. It's just not. Let's look at this on the 5-day. So this is the market in Fetch on the 5-day time frame. You guys literally can tell right here all of this weakness. This last 5-day price bar, the one that started on November the 22nd, that is emphatically weakness right there. And for us to complete The market on this last completed 5-day price bar to close higher kind of lets me know that the buyers are still there. They're still there, but it's not going to take long before the market gives up and price comes back down. Okay, so let's see how we ended the month of November for Fetch. Let's look at that real quick. So look at this. This is another indication that I'm not expecting the price in Fetch to go up. I'm still playing the weakest into the market here, especially what we did during the month of November. We didn't see price close higher than October's close. That is also a negative sign for those who are looking for the price to go up. So for the most part, given all the different time frames, we can still see that weakness is pretty much dominating this space in Fetch still. Are the buyers there? Yeah, they're there, but it's not as strong as it is with the selling. The sellers are definitely intact and controlling the market in Fetch up there around 70 to 85 cents. They're there. So what do you think we need to do? I mean, the weakness in Fetch started in September. The selling really started in Fetch in September, carried over into October, and also again in November. You guys can see right now in December, we're starting out with still seeing selling occur into the market in Fetch. So let's create this then. Should we change this? I mean, I've given you my premise. I've given you all the evidence showing that the selling is still dominating the buyers right now. Now, the question is, can the buyers eventually overcome the selling? That is the only thing that would allow this market in Fetch to go up. The buyers have to gain control. But basically, all of this time that we've seen the market in Fetch trade above 70 cents, the market is still getting walloped with more selling. So based off that premise alone, I will have to continue to follow with what the chart is dictating. And if you guys can see any strength amongst the different time frames that I've shown you, then let me know. Because if you're looking for the price in Fetch to go up, drop the comment. There's no right or wrong answers. We're simply here as predictors trying to figure out where the market is going to go so that we can be in position. Because this whole time from the last time I did my price prediction in Fetch, you guys can literally tell we've just been trading sideways. And at some point, this sideways traded is going to break, whether to the upside or to the downside. Now, from my perspective, the breakage is going to occur on the downside, not the upside. So that was your turn. Hit me up. Let me know, what do you all think about the market in Fetch? I mean, are we going to go up? Are we going to continue to see the selling go on, which therefore would pursue price to go down? I mean, what are you noticing on the charts? You don't have to follow what I'm saying, but at least have some basis as to your understanding of what the price chart is showing you without the confusion to try to justify the reason why you think the market's going to go up or down, right? So I'm still playing the weakness into the market in Fetch. I'm not going to change my price prediction. I'm still seeing the market in this cryptocurrency as being weak. I'm still seeing the sellers dominating the buyers right now. Until that changes, we're going to continue to play the weakness here into the market in Fetch. Now, I'm not exactly sure where I said I was going to put the TP price. TP simply means to take profit for the new viewers. I'm not sure where I said. So you had to go back and listen to my video that I did on October the 12th to see where those take profit areas are at. All right, but I'm done. Let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.